Hey, how's it going? It's been a while since we've been programming, so I'm excited to try it out a little more. And so, yeah, where do we leave off? Let me pull up the game. Alright, so, yeah, so I added all the different weapon types. So there's the slow bullet, the spread shot. Yeah. I've got this little tiny bullet that goes after you, and then I've got a turret that shoots out bullets pretty slowly. So one thing that actually is bothering me right now is I noticed that when you play versus the AI, the game seems to run a little faster, which I don't really understand why. Like, it runs way faster. Right, like, everything's a little slower, and I don't get it. But, I don't think I'm gonna worry about that right now. Yeah, I don't know. It's pretty weird. So anyways, yeah, that was just something weird I noticed. So, as for what we're doing today, I thought, I wanted to go over these things, probably. So, I want to change up. I feel like the current fast bullet is pretty lame, and, the slow bullet also. So I want to make those better or more interesting. So, we're gonna try to change the fast bullet into, like a V-spray, maybe 3 to 5 bullets, we'll see. And then, the slow bullet I want to have, it actually shoots out 3 on top of each other, but they go at different speeds, so they'll spread out the further they go. You'll see what I mean when I get to it. And then I was thinking also, maybe we should be able to aim the spread shot. That might be interesting too. So we'll see if we can knock these out real quick, and see if they make the game better or worse. We'll see. Alright, so let's go ahead and let's try playing with the slow bullet first. So, let's see, where is that at? So I want to say the bullet behavior is all in game state. Probably update bullets or something, yeah. Alright, so there's the delayed shot and the turret. And then everything else should be down here. Let's see, man, I've got a lot of code, don't I? Alright, so, let's see. What am I doing again? I want to make the slow bullet shoot out 3 different bullets. Alright, so what we should do, yeah, we can probably do that in fire bullet actually, when it actually fires it. I think that makes the most sense. Let's see, so here's all the other bullets. Let's go ahead and add a different case for the big slow shot. And what we'll do is basically just do this, but 3 different times with different speeds for the bullets. And we'll have to define that, I think. Yeah, currently the speed is based on the shot speed, but we could tweak that. Alright, so yeah, let's just we'll go ahead and go, let's see, let's bring up our shot definitions. Where's that at? Alright, so maybe we'll do we'll add a new parameter like num shots or something. We'll start out with 3. So yeah, let's just go from 0 to the num shots. Alright, so basically for each of these we'll spawn a bullet. I should probably break this out into a function of some kind or something, but let's see. For now, let's just grab all this. Alright, and we'll up what happens outside that? Yeah, that's good. Alright, so this will spawn 3 bullets, but we want to modify the speed a little bit. So let's see. The simplest way to do that would just be after we create the bullet, we could change the speed value. Maybe we'll just do it that way for now. Yeah, so we'll have a speed offset, and it'll start at like -3 or so. And we'll just do new bullet dot speed plus equals the speed offset, and the speed offset plus 3. And that should give us 3 bullets that are spaced out a little bit. Alright, yeah, I think that'll work actually. So let's see if that's enough. to have something happen. So we'll switch to the slow shot, and sure enough, it does just shoot him out. And that's pretty similar to what I want, actually, I think. Definitely gives you a lot more bullets to dodge, which is pretty cool. 3 seems like a pretty reasonable speed differences. We could try 4 maybe. Let me change it to 4 real quick. Alright, I just changed it to 4 real quick. Alright, so now they should spread out a little bit faster. I don't know if I can even tell the difference. But wow, there is a lot more bullets now. Alright, well that's pretty cool. We might have to up the energy cost on this bullet, since it does give you tons of bullets. Or maybe make it so you can't shoot it as fast. Yeah, well, maybe we'll tweak that a little. So over in the shot defs, reload speed, we can change that. Let's try maybe like half a second. How does that feel? Alright, so now I can't shoot it quite as fast. So that's probably pretty good. Alright, well that's cool. It probably makes our AI a little... Like, our AI is probably not as good at dodging these. Just because there's way more bullets on screen. Alright, cool. So that seems pretty good. We'll have to maybe tweak some of the costs and stuff. I don't know. For now, we'll make it cost like... Maybe we'll make it cost like 14 or so. You'll run out a lot quicker. Well, not a lot quicker, but a decent amount quicker. Alright, so that seems cool. What else do we want to do? Oh, the turret. Let's see what happens. I didn't change the turret at all. What is the turret gonna do now? Alright, the turret's still shooting out the kind of slow bullets. So we can change that as well. Let's have the turret shoot out, the, multi-bullets as well. Let's see, so where's my turret at? Alright, so here's my turret. Alright, so... Yeah, let's go ahead and split out the firing into a different function, I think. Let's see. So I already have a function for this one, which is the multi-bullet. And I think what I might want to do is not require the player object for this. But let's not worry about that for now. Let's have a function for shoot slow shot. And yeah, here we go. So I'll just call this. We'll grab all this stuff. Alright, so we need to, alright, well we know it's, big slow, so we don't need to add that, but we are gonna need facing direction, and, oops. I guess we could actually just pass in, let's see. Alright, so we need a lot of these player things. I guess we can just go ahead and pass in the player state. And we need the input angle as well. I'll just make that a parameter. Alright, that should do it. Alright, so now that we have a function, we can make our turret. The turret can shoot these out. And I think that pretty much that's what we want. Yeah, I think that'll do it. Oh, I guess, probably I should do, like, if, the bullet type to shoot is, this one. And we can add more later for different types of turrets, potentially. Alright, I think that'll do it. Because, the things we got from player... Oh, but we're gonna want different X and Y. Because, we want to shoot from the turret location. And, yeah, so let's actually, rather than player state, we'll just parameterize all these things, and then we can go ahead and do this. Alright, and what this will let us do is pass in different parameters, depending on if we're the turret or the player. Oh, I'm hiding the screen. There we go. So, yeah, so this is the turret, so we actually want the turret's position here, which is actually going to be bullet. But then we want to use the player's facing direction and the player's ID. There we go. And then at the other location, we just want to use the player for all that stuff. And that should do it. Alright, so now I think that should be enough for the turret to start shooting those out correctly. So let's see what that looks like. So I'll put the turret down. Nope, that's not the turret. I'll put the turret down, and so yeah, sure enough, it's shooting out the triple shot. So that's pretty good. Alright, well that seemed like it was a decent amount of bullets as well. Like, it's firing often enough, that it should be good. Alright. So that's, this item down. Alright. Let's try out, we should be able to aim the spray shot pretty quick. That should be a pretty quick change, I think. So, let's find the spread shot. What did I call it? Oh, it's the multi-shot. And, basically we just need to take, let's see. Yeah, we need to set mouse aim to true. And, I think I want to change the name of this to, like, spread shot or something, because multi-shot's not very, descriptive. Let's see. Yeah, I think I'll just change all this to spread shot. Alright. Now we've got spread shot. And so, let's see. So, when we set mouse aim to true, yeah, we could just add this in here. And that's the angle. Yep, that should be good. Aim angle. Oh, I passed in aim angle. Okay, so that just comes from input. Input.aim angle. Alright, we can go ahead and pass input into the shoot the spread shot, I think. Or maybe we'll just pass in aim angle. Alright, and then, basically, instead of using facing angle, we can actually use the aim angle if spread shot mouse aim, let's have facing angle equal to aim angle, and then I think the math should all just work out from there. So let's see what that does. Alright, nice. So, looks like that works. And that lets me, potentially make some interesting type shots, right? Oh, I think maybe the AI got a little confused. Yeah, the AI is, is shooting the wrong direction. So, let's go ahead and fix that. So that would be, over in the AI's, let's see, where would that be at? Alright, so, wherever it's shooting the spread shot, and the only thing I think we need to do is set the aim angle based on the facing direction, which actually the AI is always going to face to the left, but let's see. just use this. Alright, that should do it. Alright, so now we'll just wait for the AI to shoot the spread shot, which I think he decides to shoot it if he's far enough away, yeah. Right, and he'll just kind of shoot it straight out, I guess. I could make him aim at the player, but let's not worry about that for now. Alright, so that's a few of our items down. Next thing I want to try is making some kind of V-shaped spray pattern for the plane bullet. So let's see. So instead of plane, we'll probably end up calling it like, let's rename it to like V-shot or something. I think this will be a lot more interesting than just a standard bullet. And we can have a num shots. Maybe we'll try, we can just try 3 to start, but 5 might be pretty interesting too. But we'll try 3 out. Alright, so let's go over to where we shoot it at. Alright, so let's see. So let's go ahead and add a new case for our V-shot. And we can go ahead and make a function for it, and we might as well pass in all these same things. And we'll just kind of copy this guy. Alright, so let's see. We'll change these things to the V-shot. And rather than speed offset, we're gonna want to do something a little different. Alright, so this is enough to shoot off 3 shots, but we want to change the Y offset a little bit. How do I want to do it? Let's see. So I was like, basically, so if this is the player, I want to shoot the bullets out like in this kind of pattern. So to do that, there's plenty of different ways we could do it. I just have to decide which would be the most interesting. So I could kind of just do something similar to what I did with the spread shot. What did I do up there? So the spread shot, I shot 1 bullet separately, and then the rest I did a loop plus equals 2. So we could do something like that for the spread shot. I think I had an even number there, which is kind of weird because I always shoot out the extra 1 in the middle, but that's fine. So I could just do something like this. probably something like that will be fine. Alright, so let's see. I wonder if I want to change the num shots to be like extra shots or something, because I always want to shoot one in the middle. Yeah, let's do extra shots. Just because that makes a little more sense to me. Alright, so first things first, we'll just shoot the one in the middle. Right, and let's see. Let's go ahead and delete our little picture. Alright, so that's what we're gonna do. I don't think I want to let you aim it actually for now. So for now, let's actually not take the aim angle. Instead, we'll just the angle will be based on the facing direction. And we can actually just let's just do that here, and then we'll pass in that angle. I guess I could have the same kind of logic here, actually. Alright, that should be good. Alright, so now what do we need? Oh, but it's gonna get really complicated if I still want to do this V pattern with the angles and stuff. But yeah, well, we'll worry about that later. Alright, so now we're gonna go for each extra shot. Basically, take the same angle. Same angle that was passed in. We don't need to do that again. And we want to adjust the X and Y values. So let's go ahead and have like an X offset, and this is how much it wants to be different. And we're going to want to multiply by our facing direction, which is -1 or +1. So maybe like 5. Let's try 10 or so to start. And then the Y offset, we can also try 10 there to start. And actually, let's go ahead and just to make sure we get our logic right, let's go ahead and have 4 extra. So let's do 6 extra shots, just to really make it obvious if we're doing it correctly. Alright, so then for the each of the 2 shots, basically we'll just fire off 2. One with plus the X and plus the Y, and the other one with minus the Y. I don't know if I even need... Let's see, perhaps we can make this a little simpler. Yeah, so let's go ahead and save the first bullet's location. And what we'll do is have the other bullets be based off that. And I think that'll work good. That'll make things a lot simpler, actually, I think. Alright, so we'll go ahead and just alright, so that'll add a bullet, and then I don't need this comment here either, so fire 2 bullets, one with plus Y offset, and one with minus Y offset. Alright, so that should do it. Then the last thing we need to do is let's go ahead and change our Y and X offsets. And I probably need to account for facing direction for the X offset, which I already did here, but let's do it here as well. Alright, so I think that'll do it. Let's see what we get. I don't know what we're gonna get actually, but okay, so that's not quite what I was going for. Let's wait for the enemy to shoot it a couple times. Alright, so it looks like I got it backwards a little bit. And we definitely need to spread them out more. Alright, so oh yeah, I mean yeah, it is turning colder these days, isn't it? Yeah, I took my portable AC out of the window since I don't think I'll need to use it anymore. I don't know, I don't like it when it gets too cold, but I don't like it when it gets too hot either. Yeah, if you spend all your time inside and you don't have much variation in your day, time really feels like it flies. That's for sure. Hey, yeah, hello. How's it going, Saza? Alright, what did I do here? Let's see. Okay, so definitely want that. But maybe we subtract here. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, I don't know. Do you guys like it when it's hotter or colder? I feel like with when it's cold, you can always turn the heat on, but when it's hot, it's a lot harder to cool off. All right, that's looking pretty good, but it's pretty much impossible to dodge that. Right, that's gonna be pretty much impossible to dodge. So, well, I guess our AI dodged it a little, but you feel cold no matter what. Yeah. Alright, let's spread those out some more. And what we should do is let's add some variables to our definition. That way it's easier to tweak. Let's try 30 for each, I suppose. And oh, I'm hiding it again. Alright, so alright, so we'll define these here. Oh, I should add a charge attack. So the thing I'm running into, that I was thinking about is, there's kind of going to be too many weapons. So, do you think it makes sense to have, like, loadouts that you can pick at the beginning, before you play? Alright, I think that'll do it. So, like, on this screen, right, you could pick, your loadout. Maybe you only have, you can only bring 4 different weapons, to a fight or something. Alright, that's, looking better, but, so I think I only want to do 3 shots. So we'll change the number of extra shots back to 2. Alright, there we go. That's gonna be pretty hard to dodge still, but, like, if I get him to shoot it at me... Come on, shoot it at me. Yeah, that's pretty hard to dodge. Potentially they shouldn't do as much damage, maybe. And you probably should be able to shoot it as fast. Let me tweak the reload speed. That's still pretty fast. But maybe that's kind of dodgeable. Wait, I don't know. Maybe like a 300 milliseconds. And the spread, maybe a little bit more. But yeah, I should do a charge shot of some kind. Alright, that feels a little better, I think. And maybe the slow shots should go a little bit faster. I don't know. That's probably good. Let's see, what else do we want to do here? So I feel like energy is probably... Let's see... Yeah, the turrets, Maybe you can spawn too many bullets now, I don't know. Alright. I don't know, do you guys want to try out, playing with these changes? Maybe I'll go ahead and upload them. Yeah, there are a lot of weapons, a lot of bullets. So once I was thinking for graphics wise, hold on, let me start deploying this. Yeah, I just want to get it deployed. Alright, so I kicked off a deployment. But I mean, graphics wise, I feel like if I start making the bullets not just solid blocks of color, but like some little sprites that have some transparency or something, I think that might make it more interesting to look at. And also a little easier to tell what's going on, perhaps. Yeah, I mean, definitely there are a lot of bullets. I mean, I do want to make it kind of hard to just, like, it should be kind of hard to stay alive. Because, previously it was too easy to live. And so, it made it too hard. So I did add, if you're mobile, so like, hold on, if I try out mobile mode. Let's see, did that switch to mobile? Okay, so now we're in mobile, maybe not, hold on. Yeah, so this is mobile mode, so in mobile mode, oh, hold on, that's not working. I thought that would work. Hold on, let me refresh the page. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so it should work in mobile mode. I doubt it would be blocked on your school computer. You shouldn't have any problems hitting the website. Alright, let's transition over to the actual site. Alright, so now we're live. I fixed the text entry as well. The bug there was the way Phaser was doing input, it was stealing some of the key presses from the HTML thing. So, alright, I see somebody there in the lobby. If they want to play, go ahead and try to quick match me. I guess, I wonder if I shouldn't transition to this screen until, you found a match. Oh, there you are. Name popped up. Why isn't it started, though? Is anything bad happening? Let's see, why haven't we started? It should have done our peer connection. I don't know if that error matters. Hold on. Let's see. Try, quit and try again. Yeah, I'm not sure why our connection's not working. Like, it looks like you are there. So I loaded up on another window, and it says you're searching. Let me try, Oh, we got into a match. Okay, well, I don't know what was up with that. Oh, okay, I'm on the right this time. Hey, how's it going? Make the world cute. Alright, so, we've got pretty bad ping to each other, unfortunately. So it's gonna be kind of slow, it looks like. But, yeah, I wonder what I can do to make the ping, not so much of an issue. Man, it is really slow. But yeah, our ping's pretty bad, huh? Oh, it's getting up to like 500 something. I'm low on energy. Let me stock up my energy a little bit. I'll try placing some turrets down, maybe. I really need to, have some kind of indicator that says, if, when the weapon reloads. I think that would help a lot. So, I can't, is the ping getting worse if there's more bullets on screen? I don't know if it really is or not. You're trying to duck all my bullets. Oh, somehow things got messed up. And somehow I'm shooting out. I was shooting out slow bullets like this. That looked pretty weird. Yeah, what's up with that? That's kind of strange. They're still moving at the right speed though. I don't know what's up with that. Oh man. Yeah, maybe that fast bullet's too good. Oh man, our ping is really eating it. Oh, it recovered a bit. Huh, why is, I don't know why sometimes it's shooting out the wrong bullet type. That's pretty weird. Oh man, we're really getting some lag now. So we should have like a direct peer to wait, how are you shooting that bullet? That's pretty odd. I don't know how you were shooting that bullet. Because how is that happening? Huh. I assume you were on weapon 1 when you were doing that. That's pretty weird. How in the world was that happening? So, let's see. Yeah, you won. Mostly I was just really confused. How did you break my game? Huh. So I mean extra shots should always be 2. Yeah? Nice. Let's see. What could be wrong here? So I mean I've got this shoot the V-shot thing. And it should always be shooting V-shot type bullets. So I don't know how... And like, no extra shots. Should always be 2. You should always end up with more bullets. How in the world did you start shooting single bullets? I don't know what to make of that. Huh. How did you do that? Oh, okay. If, Oh, I get it now. If you're too far back, the bullets, are destroyed automatically. That's what's going on. So, that makes sense. That's how you were doing that. We can probably fix that. How do I want to fix that? I don't know. I don't know how I want to fix that. There's a few different ways, I suppose, but Sure. Alright, well that's one mystery solved. I suppose the other mystery I want to know is how was I shooting? I think the turret was doing something weird with my bullets or something. Like, I was shooting out a circular bullet sometimes, which that didn't really make any sense at all to me. You want me to make an extinction ray? What exactly is that? Do you have an example? Well, let me log some bugs. Yeah, what exactly do you mean by extinction ray? I'm gonna need an example. Yeah, are you talking about another game? Or, something else? I assume you mean like a big laser beam. I should probably go ahead and make a loadout page. If we're gonna keep adding more weapons. Alright, well, while you're trying to remember, I think I'll go ahead and I had these extra ideas for objectives, which might be pretty interesting. I don't know if I want to try doing that today though. This isn't going to be a super long stream. I'll probably finish up in another 30 minutes or so. Gonna meet up with some friends. We're gonna watch the Star Wars animes on Netflix. Should be pretty good. So, what should we do in the meantime? We should probably, this is probably a good idea. Because right now it's really hard to tell, how to use some of the longer reload weapons. Let's see. Okay, well, let's see. I mean, I've got a big list of weapons I could work on. Oh, here we go. That's quite the long spellcasting time. What is that from? Oh, it's from Akashic Records. I see. That was the that was the first search result if I search for Extinction Ray, which is kind of funny. I mean, I think I watched this anime, but heck if I can remember it. You memorized it. Don't you have better things to do? Alright, well, we could do some kind of laser beam type weapon. I'm trying to think about how I would want to implement that. I mean, graphically, there's plenty of things we can do, but mechanically, I think, let's see, we probably want to have like a big rectangle come out. Let's see. Yeah, you should watch more streams instead of memorizing pointless things. Let's see, how do I want to do it? So I was thinking, like, so here's your ship, right? And the laser beam, well, let's do this on a different page. Alright, so like here's your ship, and the laser beam, it would basically just be a series of boxes, and probably it would start slow, and then it would grow until it hits the other wall. And then, I don't know if we're gonna have misfires. That seems like a lot of work for not a lot of fun. But yeah, then, and then as the laser beam, finishes up, it basically kind of does this as it finishes up shooting. So that might be kind of interesting. And I can probably just represent that with like a big rectangle. Yeah, I don't know. Let's give it a shot. We'll try to do something interesting with it. Alright, well let's go ahead and define a laser beam. I mean, yeah, like, lasers are supposed to be the speed of light, right? But, that generally doesn't work well for game mechanics. So instead we're gonna try to do something a little different. Alright, so it's not gonna have a radius, it's gonna have a width, and we can start with, it should probably be pretty big, right? I don't know. We'll have it be 20. Energy requirement probably needs to cost a lot of energy. It's gonna be a pretty crazy attack. What color do you want it to be? Maybe, it should probably be some kind of blue, huh? Maybe a bright blue. We'll try going with, this color for now. Mouse aim false. Yeah, maybe a little whiter blue. Alright, yeah, we'll go with this one then. And we can always tweak it later, of course. Alright, reload speed. Probably the energy requirement's gonna be a big enough reload speed. Alright, and then, what we should do is have a, we're gonna need 2 parameters, I think. Like a growth speed or something, and a duration, I think. And I don't really know what I want for these values for now. So we'll do something like that. But alright, and so then let's go ahead and try to shoot it off. Let's see. So for gameplay scene real quick, I think I'll just have the one key shoot off your laser instead. Oh, let me see what that looks like. That might be too white, but we can see what it looks like maybe. I don't know how it's gonna look, but we give it a shot. Alright, so yeah, so we'll just have the default weapon be laser to start, and then we need to implement it. Alright, so let's see. Gameplay scene, I don't know if I don't need to worry about this because I'm just gonna start with the weapon I've selected. Alright, so then we just need to fire it off. So let's see. Go ahead and add another case. For our laser. And let's see, we're definitely not going to have yeah, so the laser, yeah. I have an idea how this is going to work, but it might end up being kind of crazy. So let's go ahead and just pass in all the same things that we've been passing in. But we're not, I don't think we're going to pass in the angle probably, because we probably just need to pass in the facing direction. Yeah. Alright, so we've got all the same parameters except for angle, so I'll just grab all that. Alright, so this is going to be a pretty weird bullet. But yeah. Oh yeah, go ahead and I can always write it down and come back to it later. Make the laser OP, but have it cost health. Yeah, I don't know if I want to start out. I've actually got you probably recommended it last time, because I've got stuff about like weapons that cost health. Yeah, I've got that listed. I don't know if I want to try that yet. Probably hold off on that for now. I just want to see what it's gonna look like first. Alright, so we'll just fire it off. Alright, so I think that's good enough. Alright, and bullet state. We're gonna need some extra parameters for the laser stuff. Alright, we can go ahead and have like a time remaining or something. Right, so that'll be the starting parameters. It's not really gonna have a speed or a radius, but that's fine. Alright, so that'll let us shoot it. The bullet, I guess angle, we'll just use angle. Alright, so the tricky part is going to be in update bullets. And yeah, this is gonna be kind of tricky, I think, because we definitely want this, I think, because we don't want to update its position, but its position should really be updated based on the player. There's somebody else in chat with you, but I don't know if they want to talk or not. It doesn't look like Shirway is there anymore. I don't think Stream Elements wants to chat with you. Alright, so yeah, the laser shouldn't really collide. Actually, how does that work with the turret? I guess the turret doesn't worry about that stuff either. Let's see. Alright, so I think what we'll do, yeah. Okay, here we go. Yeah. I mean, Stream Elements can't chat, right? It's not gonna respond to you though. Alright, so we want our laser to be represented by a rectangle. let's see. I wonder if we want to have like a, it'll start out at 0 or something, yeah. Oh, don't cry. Alright, so I want, there's two things we need to do here, which is, set laser base position to the player's XY that shot it, and then, increase growth speed, or, increase laser length, based on growth speed, and, count down, the duration, time remaining. Alright, so kind of like with the turret. Alright, so I don't know how we're gonna get, oh yeah, we've got time step here. So yeah, the time step will count down, kind of like that up there. And if it's less than 0, then we destroy the bullet. Alright, so that's that part. And then, laser length. Should probably just go up by growth speed. So that's probably good. And then we need to move the bullet. So like bullet.x equals player who shot it .x and player who shot it .y, but we need to figure out who shot it. So we probably want something like this. Alright, so now we know who shot it. We assume it's player 2, but if it's player 1 shot it. And we'll set the X and Y, set the laser length. Alright, so I think this is probably enough to actually draw it. We don't have any collision yet for the laser because the laser is going to be a big rectangle, but I want to try drawing it first. So to draw it, we need to go over to gameplay scene. And let's see. Here's the bullets. Okay, so we need to let's see. This is what creates the bullets. But we don't really need a graphical bullet for... I guess we do. Alright, so let's see. So if we didn't find it, we create a new graphical bullet for the bullet. But the bullet graphic is currently an arc, and we're gonna need a better a better representation than this. What else are we doing with the bullet graphics? It looks like we basically just put them on the array and remove them. Alright, so that's probably fine. Let's see, what we'll do here. That deletes them, and this updates them. Okay, so this is what actually, update the graphic bullet. What we'll probably want to do is, have like an update function or something instead, because the laser graphic is going to be a different thing. Let's go ahead and add a new. Do I want to do it this way? Let me think about that. Alright, yeah, let's go ahead and just have laser graphic. But I think I wanna like extend bullet graphic maybe. But I don't really want it to be an arc. Do I? Yeah, I probably need a let's see. Yeah, there's a lot that goes into architecting your stuff nicely. So it's getting a little tricky here. So probably I really want I think what we're gonna do, let me think about this. So we kind of need to define a base class that all these can extend from. I think that's what we want to do. So let's go ahead and make another one called for now I'm just gonna call it like ball graphic. Oh, and I should make this lowercase because Git gets a little weird sometimes if your things aren't all lowercase. Alright, so let me think about this. So ID, angle, owner, shot type, those are all important. But so let me try to explain what I'm doing. So for the laser, we don't want to just have a circle, right? So we need a more complicated thing. But then the array of bullets that we have doesn't really make sense to fit our laser into, because it's a bunch of circle objects, arcs. So instead we want to change what our list is. So our list should be like a list of more generic objects, and then the different types of bullets should be basically different offshoots of that. So for example, let's see. So the problem I'm having here is that I'm not super familiar with inheritance in JavaScript. So I don't really know how much I need to. I think for now. Oh hey, thanks for hosting my stream. Wow. Yeah, I'm programming a game. Feel free to check it out. You can play right now, on the website if you want to give it a shot. I'll post it in chat again. Yeah, they just happen to pop in at a time when I'm doing something I don't really know how to do. Alright, well, anyways, let's see. Oh, so, yeah, hold on. So this I wanted to keep the same, actually. But then, bullet graphic I want to change, to not actually extend anything. Oh, can you extend two things? I don't know if that's how you do it in JavaScript. Maybe not. Yeah, this is probably going to take a little bit longer than I have time for today, unfortunately. So, maybe for now I won't mess with this. Yeah, I think this will take a little too long. Unfortunately. Because I do need to be wrapping up pretty soon. Can I say Sussy Baka for you? Sussy Baka. Yeah, so I need to figure out how to draw the graphic for the laser, but yeah. Since I do need to be wrapping up, unfortunately, I don't think I have time to do this. So instead, we'll go back and make some notes about what we were doing. So I need to figure out inheritance. Inheritance for the different bullet graphic objects, and then make a laser graphic, which is a rectangle that grows over time. And then we need to do collision with the rectangle. I don't know what else we want to do to finish it up, but I guess we'll need to figure out how damage works if you're in the laser. Because it'll probably just do damage over time. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'll have to figure that out. And we'll have to tweak the numbers, of course, as well. But yeah, I think the laser will be pretty cool looking. I just don't know if it, well, we can balance it always, of course, I think. Should be interesting. Oh, we should probably have, like, a graphic showing charge up time or something. Potentially. It depends on how fast we want it to come out. Alright, well, this is probably a lot of fun stuff we can try next time. And for now, I guess we'll just go ahead and call it a stream for now, since I do need to be wrapping up. Yeah, so as for what we're doing next week, tomorrow I'll be playing more X-Wing. I'm actually really excited to play X-Wing because they just redid all the points in X-Wing, so it mixed up the meta quite a lot, and there's some new ships to try out, so that should be pretty fun. So I'll be getting a couple games in tomorrow for X-Wing. Yeah, thanks for joining me. I always like having you on here. It's a shame our ping was so high. We tried to play, but I guess we're just really far away from each other. I mean, the fact that we could play at all is pretty cool. Oh, somebody popped on. Maybe somebody wants to play. Let me refresh. Oh, maybe not. Alright, well, anyways, but yeah, the next week I want to play more Jump King, and I think I'll try out Lemnis Gate, which is a time-looping shooter. It seems like pretty cool, so I think that'll be fun. Alright, well, thanks for joining me, everybody, and yeah, we'll get some more programming in next week, probably. Should be good. Alrighty. See you later. Yeah. Yeah, I'll probably have Dark Souls at some point. I'll have to figure out when I want to schedule it. Because I want to play the new Metroid game, too. So, we'll see. Alright. That's it for now. Bye-bye.